Arjun was the son of Kunti and Indra, the god of rain and thunder. He was born due to the boon that sage Durvasa gave to Kunti. Kunti and her sons returned to Hastinapur, where they are taught all the war skills by Kripacharya and Dronacharya. Arjun was the most dedicated pupil who excelled at every skill and became the best archer. He was Drona's favorite. His focus and concentration were proven when Drona asked all his students what they see on the tree, and only Arjun answered the bird's eye. Arjun's skill and intelligence helped him to impress Draupadi. She chose to marry him. However, due to a misunderstanding, Draupadi became the wife of all the Pandavas. The Pandavas made a deal that each of their brothers would spend a year with Draupadi and no one else could interfere with them during their intimate moments. It was Yudhishthir's turn when he was with Draupadi and Arjun entered the room to take his weapons. This resulted in his exile for 1 year despite the persuasion to not do the same from Yudhishthir. During this exile, Arjun met Krishna, whom he had known since childhood, but the two became great friends and their bond strengthened. Arjun also went ahead and married 3 other women: Subhadra, who was Krishna's sister, Ulupi, and Chitrangada. By doing so, he also ignored the condition of celibacy that was put in the deal by the brothers. A very interesting event is the face off with Indra during their exile. Agni Devta was hungry and his hunger could only be satiated by burning down the whole forest, which Indra protested by pouring rains. Krishna and Arjun fought Indra and other gods. The battle lasted for days until a voice commanded Indra to step back. Thus, the forest was cleared and Agni Dev's hunger sated. This also made way for the Pandavas to turn the forest into Indraprasth, their kingdom. Yudhishthir loses everything in the gamble of dice, and when Pandavas are in exile, Arjun managed to please several gods such as Indra, Shiva, and Parshurama. Each gave them some celestial weapons which he could use in the war. In his quest to collect blessings and the weapons from gods, Arjun once went to heaven where Urvashi, a divine Apsara, stated her wish to make love to him. Arjun declines this offer, stating Urvashi's involvement with his ancestors. This angered her and she cursed him to become a eunuch for the rest of his life, which is then shortened to a period of 1 year after Indra's intervention. Arjun uses this curse while he is in disguise in the Matsya kingdom and becomes a teacher of song and dance. After his exile gets over, Arjun becomes instrumental in selecting Krishna as their charioteer for the war, and he manages to kill various warriors like Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna, etc. He then becomes the king of Virat kingdom, and during the Ashwamedh Yagna, he is killed by his own son Babruvahan, only to be later revived by Ulupi. He ascends to heaven on the advice of Vidur during the onset of Kali Yuga with his brothers and Draupadi.